Software platforms can be powerful tools to grow a product portfolio and build an ecosystem. In this video, I explain how you can take advantage of platforms. My name is Roman Pichler. I've worked on several digital platforms in the healthcare and telco space, and I discuss platforms in my book, Strategize. To start with, let's briefly clarify what a software platform is and how it can benefit your company. I view it as a collection of software assets that are used by several products. In the picture, products A, B, and C are built on the platform and use its assets. To put it differently, the platform serves the three products. An example of a successful software platform is Amazon Web Services, AWS. It provides cloud-based services on which other products can be built, for instance, Netflix video streaming. Platforms can help you grow a product portfolio faster and cheaper. Take a product suite like Microsoft Office, for example. If the teams developing the different apps all created their own user interface layers, there would be considerable code duplication, added development costs, and increased development time. A software platform that standardizes user interaction and offers additional shared services like saving and opening files avoids these issues. Additionally, it allows the app development teams to focus on creating app-specific functionality rather than having to worry about developing infrastructure code. But that's not all. A platform can also generate revenue if you open it up to other companies, as for instance Amazon did with AWS. Originally conceived as an internal software platform, it has become a major revenue source for Amazon. But platforms also have potential drawbacks. I've seen platforms grow so big over time that they became bottlenecks and slowed down the rate at which the end-user facing products could offer new and enhanced features. I've also witnessed a brand new platform being retired as it did not meet the needs of the users, the development teams who should have used it to build their products. To maximize the benefits of a platform and mitigate its drawbacks, apply the 5 tips I'm sharing now. My first tip is to treat the platform as a product. While a software platform is a piece of technology, it creates value for the product development teams by making it easier and faster to build their products. And it generates value for the business by reducing cost, accelerating development, and possibly increasing revenue. Consequently, a platform should be managed as a product. It should have its own product strategy and product roadmap, KPIs, and product backlog. A software platform, therefore, is more than a set of APIs. It typically requires documentation that shows how the platform assets can be used. It may also require tools that allow the teams to code against its APIs. AWS, for instance, comes with a cloud development kit that supports .NET and Java, integrates with different IDEs, and hence supports developers to build AWS-based applications. My second tip is to assign a platform owner. If we regard the platform as a product in its own right, then there should be clear ownership. There should be an individual who manages the platform and ensures that it creates the desired value. As a software platform is a technical supporting product, I recommend looking for a senior developer or software architect who understands the needs of the platform users, the development teams who build their products on top of the platform, and who has the necessary product management skills to professionally manage the platform. My third tip is to think big, but start small. Build initially a minimum viable platform for a small number of products, say 2 or 3. This allows you to quickly launch a first version and then adapt it to the feedback of the users, the product development teams. Once you have shown that the platform does a great job for a small number of products, you can expand its services and add additional products. This avoids one of the potential drawbacks mentioned earlier, launching an ambitious software platform that is too difficult to use, something I've sadly seen happening more than once. Tip number 4 is to ensure that the platform is user-led, not technology-driven. Technical products like software platforms can have a dark side. As they are developed by specialized teams, they can end up being over-engineered and over-complicated. In the worst case, a platform works beautifully on its own, but coding against it is painful, and the overall performance of product and platform is poor. To avoid this risk, staff the initial platform development team with members from the product development teams, the teams that will use the platform. Additionally, ask the product development teams to test early releases of new or enhanced platform services. My final tip is, don't let the platform become a bottleneck. I once worked with a company whose software platform grew bigger and bigger. It served more and more products and it offered more and more services. What initially looked like an amazing success story turned into a nightmare. The platform started to slow down the rate at which the revenue-generating products could be released. It could no longer keep up with the needs of the products that were using its services. The platform had become a bottleneck. I hence recommend that you carefully manage the growth of your platform. In some cases, it might be better to accept some code duplication to help a product development team get a new feature out faster. In other cases, it might be best to break up the software platform and offer several platforms that each serve a set of clients. For example, a storage platform and a media services platform. I hope that you found this video helpful. You can learn more about product platforms by attending my training courses and by reading my book Strategize. Thank you for watching.